Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Matvei and today I'm going to be showing you our project called NAI. NAI stands for Navigational Artificial Intelligence. What NAI allows you to do is to control your desktop or laptop by only using your eyes motion. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you how you could navigate through your desktop by just using your gaze. I'm going to start the program and I'm going to close the CMD because it's going to distract us a bit. So you could see our starting GUI. Let's go ahead and start the program itself. Alright, I'm gonna press start. The program takes a little time to start, but yeah, here it is, it just started. So as you can see right away, you can see my face that is being processed by 4 neural networks at the same time. One of them detected my face, another one detected my facial landmarks, and then one of them detected my head position. And then all of this information was used to be parsed in the 4th neural network that estimated my gaze direction. So if you look at those white arrows, you could actually see that they're pointing in the same direction where my gaze is pointed at. And as you could see, they could do it pretty quick and pretty accurate, which is really exciting. So our next step is to control the mouse with our gaze. But before I show it to you guys, I gotta explain that there's a mirror effect going on. So whenever the arrows are looking to the left, the cursor is gonna move to the right, because computer is looking at me and I'm looking at the computer. So my right is the computer's left. So there's gonna be a mirror effect. So the cursor is gonna be moving to the opposite side. Just to let you guys know. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it. I'm gonna put my hands right here, and then I'm gonna start moving my eyes, and as you guys could see, the cursor is perfectly following the path. It goes in the same direction where my gaze is pointed at. However, yeah, we just need to encounter the mirror effect and it's all perfect. So I'm actually like looking at the right now. I'm looking like, you know, I'm looking to the left right now, left up right now. So it's all perfect. And there's another option on what you could do with our program. You could basically click the buttons with blinking your eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to you. I'll just blink with my right eye and it's gonna press the button. So as you can see, it just worked. It worked again and it keeps working. So yeah, you could press the buttons with your blinks. And there is one more feature that we want to show you guys. It's the one that we're most proud of. Please take it serious. So if you get tired of this facial filter, you could see, you always have an option to switch the mode, and you could go to the Hakagi Mode. It's a dope thing. I'm going to show it to you right now. Let me just activate it, and there we go. I'm in the Hakagi Mode. You guys probably know what is it referencing, but yeah, you still got all your functionalities working over here. You still could do all your gaze navigation. You still could do all your blinkings. You still could press, but now you just look kind of like somebody who is much more mature. Okay, and at the end, let me talk about the technical stack. So we used Intel OpenVINO model for the gaze estimation. However, it wasn't suiting our case in the best way, so I had to do some transfer learning on it. I used Keras in order to do that. I changed the layers and the weights. However, I'm still developing it so that the model could fit all the model could suit all the screen sizes, all the screen resolutions, the operating systems, and whatever. So it doesn't affect the model's performance, and so it always gives the user the best performance ever. In addition to that, we use DLEAP and CV2 for the landmarks detection and the facial detection. We also applied some transfer learning on them so that they perform faster. We made the facial detection model detect less stuff for the inference boost. We also used PyQt5 for our GUI and PyGUI to move the cursor around. So let me show you the structure of our project. Our main file is the navigator. It does all the declaration of neural networks and all the inference of neural networks. They just operate, detect stuff in the frame and draw around the stuff. We also have the inference file that it supports the inference of the Intel. It boosts the inference of the Intel OpenVINO models, so they work really fast on our project. I really want to thank Intel personally. They create some great stuff.
And we also have the GUI file, which is basically just a PyQt5 version of our GUI that you saw in the beginning, with the eyes in the bottom. That's basically it for our files. We also have like the voice recognition coming up, but it's still in development. In addition to that, we use the Docker to containerize our project so that we could work on it from any kind of machine. It's easier for us to develop it. But yeah, that's it from the technical side for us. We got a lot of things coming up. You could read about them on the dev post. If you have any questions, concerns, suggestions, please feel free to reach out. You got mine and my teammates' contact information on dev post. We are happy to communicate. And yeah, thank you very much for your attention. It was really pleasant, and enjoy life.